Hello everyone. We are going to see a topic called as structure of an atom, and now we are going to start it. Here first of all we know about an atom, means the definition of an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in all chemical reaction, but it is indivisible. What is indivisible? It means it cannot divide it further, it cannot be subdivided. An atom consists of three fundamental particles called as proton, neutron and electron. So broadly we are going to see it on a paper. Here our topic is structure of an atom. So first of all we know about an atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which is not subdivided and can take part in all chemical changes. So previously we know about that. So basic structure, in basic structure there are three fundamental particles. First is proton, second one is neutron and third one is an electron. So proton is positively charged species and it present in inner side of an atom. Neutron has no charge and its position is also same inner side of an atom. Electron is negatively charged species and it present outer side of nucleus. So what is nucleus? Our next question is, what is nucleus? The central part of an atom is called as nucleus. We know about that. In center part there is a presence of proton and neutron. P represents proton and N represents neutron. So this is our central part called as nucleus. So our extranuclear part, in extranuclear part there is a presence of negatively charged electrons. So this is represented like this. This is the shell first, shell second, shell third and shell fourth. So this represents, it's represented by a letter called as K. First one, second one L, third one M, fourth one N. The K, L, M and N are the main shells, are represented by these letters and their numbers are like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these in these main shells there are present some electrons in it, and these levels 1, 2, 3 and 4 are called as shells or orbits. These are the fixed circular path, and in that fixed circular path the electrons are present. So here our basic structure is get completed. In central part, that is proton and neutron are present and collectively it is called as nucleus. Extranuclear part belongs to the electron and they are present in a fixed circular path called as orbit or shells, and their name as K, L, M and N, and they are represented by the numbers called as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the center part the protons are positively charged and the electrons are present and electrons are negatively charged. The number of protons present in the nucleus and the number of electrons are situated in extranuclear part are exactly same, and that's why the total atom is electrically neutral. So in this table we are going to see the distribution of